mechanical bother. Alec, it's great to see you again. Alec and his team here have went through this tractor really from top to bottom. The resulting job is phenomenal. You've been telling us back and forward what you've done to this tractor, what's had to be done to the tractor to get it right. But Alec, I noticed straight away the stance of our tractor is completely different now. So, biggest job was?
Centre pivot on the front axle. The front axle had to come out, new bushes made, and then they were made back down to fit the original John Deere pin and bush.
Wow.
The steering arm was rubbing on the top of the axle.
Yeah.
That wasn't going to last much longer
No.
before you broke something
That
serious.
could have been catastrophic, really, couldn't it?
Yeah.
You know.
Good save, Alec. Good save when
Yeah.
you came to the right man.
Yeah.
I need to mention the guy, the genius behind it all really, Richard Horn from our local John Deere dealership, Farrell's. The guy's just a genius, and he's really into even though he's a proper techno boy as well, he loves the old stuff, and he knew where to start looking. So we pointed him in the direction of things that I wanted looked at just from our experience. He was brilliant. So we started at the front. Everything on the nose was stripped. The frame around the back end oil cooler and the aircon rad was rotten and broken. Hydraulic pipes was another issue, so we changed a lot of pipes. We were having trouble with her starting, all new wiring, and she starts on a button now, so that's literally all it was. A few oil leaks around the back end, but the main thing we fixed was replacing the gas accumulator for the power shift.
Gareth had a bee in his bonnet about this for 3 years.
I have, because nobody believed me. Alec, you're the first man to believe me.
Be 100% honest with us. Now that we have her here, and she's in her raw state,
Yep.
is she all there?
Yeah, she's all woman. Yeah, she's good to go.
If we're making changes to the tractor cosmetically, what would you like to see?
I'd like to see it on 710 Michelin's, 600s on the front. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to fit some sort of steering to the tractor.
Do you think she could have steering
No problem.
on an old girl like that?
Someone will do it, yeah.
But is it the sort of a tractor that if you had sitting restored in the corner of the shade, it wouldn't be just left there?
No, I wouldn't want to leave it there. I'd want to go out and use it. She needs to go out and do some work. And she'll do it as well as any other.
We're determined to get her back in the road, and because we just love her. I can't believe how well the 4755 is pulling this plough. It's beyond, almost beyond comprehension.